Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. So currently I am at Wellesley and Sherbourne and I'm walking the street in Winter Wonderland. This is Sherbourne and Wellesley intersection of Toronto. Come walk with me and explore the streets of Toronto right now. As a result of the snowstorm, black ice has been formed, which is the most dangerous part. There are so many reasons to love winter, and one of them is definitely snow to me. There is nothing like waking up on a Sunday morning to find a bed full of freshly fallen pure white snow right across the streets of Toronto. Yes, to me a snow day without a doubt is one of the nature's most beautiful gifts. A very famous English author, Lewis Carroll, had once said, I wonder if the snow loves the trees and the fields that it kisses them so gently, and then it covers them upswung, you know, with a white quilt, and perhaps it says, Go to sleep, darling, till the summer comes again. Few points to remember after the snowstorm. Before stepping out, always wear your winter boots. Don't play with black ice, you will eventually slip. Until and unless you are in a hurry, don't walk fast, you will definitely skid. Always slow down if you see a person coming opposite to you, to give him or her space. Don't forget to wear your winter outwears and have fun before snow completely melts down. Temperature was 1 and slowly the snow were melting. Hence, black ice was forming very quickly. So you need to be very careful while walking the streets. Do you know? The snowstorm is a good opportunity for tall pine trees to show their strength, grit, and stability. As I was turning to the left, I slipped and was falling down. Luckily, I was not hurt as the person next to me quickly grabbed me, thus I escaped from scratches. Even though I did not suffer any scratches, this experience taught me to be extra cautious, and most importantly, you should always be aware of your surroundings. Hi everyone, if you enjoyed watching my video today, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching today's video. See you next week. Bye.